Hey, hey, what? Ray Mac, hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill.
Today we're doing some air fryer barbecue chicken wings, and they're going to be the best chicken wings ever. So the first ingredients I'm adding in is some black pepper. I want you to use your own ingredients measurements, okay? Then we're going to add in some kosher salt. Yes, whenever your ancestors tell you to stop, that's when you stop. Put your own measurements in. Today we're using some of this here Yummy's blackened seasoning. This is definitely some good stuff. I got a review video that's going to come up on some of this here Yummy's products. You're going to love it. Then we have some Spain Spices spicy seasoning. You guys know I love Spain Spices products. And the next thing we're going to use is some of this here Weber's garlic jalapeno seasoning. This is definitely by far becoming one of my favorite seasonings to use as well. And I want you to go ahead and take your 1 pack of family chicken wings, clean them up, cut them into pieces, toss you some olive oil on these, and I want you to add your seasonings to this, and we're going straight to the air fryer. So right now I'm setting my air fryer at least around about 300 to 75 to 80 degrees, and I'm setting my timer for 20 minutes. And I'm gonna let these things cook. So I'm gonna make up some of this here honey barbecue sauce. So you can use some of your favorite barbecue sauce, put some into a jar, use as much or less as you like. Then I want you to go ahead and add you some honey to this. Use the type of measurements that you like to sweeten up your barbecue sauce. Then I want you to go ahead also and add some of this here Worcestershire sauce, okay? And you could definitely use whatever type of measurements you like for this ingredients as well. Once we've got this together, start mixing things up. So we got our chicken wings done. My wife loves the flats. When you check your temperature, internal temperature, once it comes to 165 degrees or more, it's done. It's ready to go ahead and eat. So she liked these flat chicken wings, but she do not like barbecue sauce on her wings at all. So I'm fixing her these flats, and I'm not putting any sauce on these. But for the drumettes, I'm definitely gonna hook these up the way that I like them. So with my drumettes, I let these cook. And once they finish cooking for at least around about 20 minutes, I go ahead and I toss me some barbecue sauce on them. And I like to have my wings browned a little bit, darkened a little bit, so I toss them right back in. And this is the end result right here. Try this recipe, and I guarantee you're gonna love the best air fryer barbecue chicken wings ever. I mean, it's the best that you ever put your mouth on. Trust and believe me, you will love this recipe. So I want you guys to do me a favor, if you can, pretty please. I want you to comment below, let me know what you think about this here video, and also tell me what other type of videos you would like to see in the future. Thank you so much for watching this here video. Subscribe to my channel by clicking on my picture. Watch these videos as well, okay? Give this video a thumbs up. And I always say this at the end of all of my videos: love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.